Okay, well the problem is to get this heavy two-seater kayak up on top of a four-wheel drive vehicle. There's lots of things on the internet that I've seen to do it, but they're all expensive. So the cheapest, simplest way I found was to get a one length of 90mm stormwater pipe, a few elbows, and I've made this little fitting that goes up onto the car to slide the kayak up. So it's held by two straps, which I'll strap up on. Strap up onto the car. Straps around the bar. Okay, well, to make sure that the kayak doesn't slip when you're loading it up, I have the normal nose rope, 3/4 of the length of the kayak, and you attach that to the tow bar so that the back of the kayak doesn't slip away. Those are loaded up now. The back is held by the rope. Just pick the front up and put it onto the rack. Then just slide it up the pipe and onto the rack. And the kayak is loaded. Get to the site, reattach the rope so it doesn't slip too far. Just pull on the, and it slides down. One old fella has loaded one very heavy wind cone. When you get to the site, you can leave the loader on ready for when you return, but when you get home it's just a case of undo the two straps, lift off the rack, and the job is done. To determine the length of I've made this, you actually need to put it under the kayak and see what width you need for it to slide, depending on the bottom of the kayak. So to make the width so that it slides, and then I put a T-piece here with a little piece of pipe in it, just as an extra guide to make sure that it wouldn't fall off. And when it was rolling along, it slips along there very easily, and because of the sides here, this bit's stopping the kayak from falling off upon you. Right, this piece here is a 45-degree elbow rather than a 91 because it's designed to fit the shape of the car. So you'd have to look at your car to work out what size fitting you might want there. But this is basic storm pipe, worth only $15 a length, and it used only half a length plus a few fittings, so very cheap.